One of the benefits of scraping data into a Google Sheet is you can create filters to sort data. For example, here I've got my date column. I'm going to click on the C and right click and left click create a filter. And now I see in the date header I've got these three little lines. I'm going to click on them. I'm going to click on filter by condition. I've got a drop-down menu. I can choose text contains, and let's say I only want to see events that happened in 1943. So where it says value or formula, I will type 1943 and click OK. And now I only see the events that occurred entirely or partly in 1943.